Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Evanity coming back to you with another video. And as you can see by the title, guys, today I'm coming to you with my hair. Many of you know that over the years I have suffered from alopecia, and you can see it right here, guys. And this is the best it has ever looked. The best it has ever looked, guys, and I can't even believe it. But most of the time is either I wear my hair extremely low to cover up the alopecia, or I cover my hair with wigs. Now, I was introduced by my daughter, and she said, "Mom, I would love to see your hair grow back the way it used to be when you were much younger." And she introduced me to a product. And I only use this product because I see how effective it has been in her hair. And I can show you a picture, guys. She started using this product over a year ago, and it was recommended to her because she's actually my adopted daughter from the Dominican Republic, and when I got her hair was all the way down to her back. And being here and not knowing how to care her hair that well, she ended up cutting off her hair very low. And she went back to Santo Domingo for a visit, and she was introduced to this product. She introduced it to me, and this is the product, guys. Deya, yes. It says Deya olive juice shampoo, and it comes in a packet of 5. I bought the 5. It has the conditioner, the shampoo, and it has the nutrient. This is for nutrition of the hair. And then you have this revitalizer. This is when you want to blow out your hair, you use this. And it comes with an oil, but it is similar to this. But that one finished, but this one is like keratin. It's similar to this one. It has the same. When you apply this oil to your hair, it gives it that sleek feeling. So it's like it locked in the moisture inside of your hair. Guys, I started using this product about 4 months ago. And when I started using this product, I never had any hair. My hair was hardly growing. I have alopecia. This is the video, guys. I have alopecia all the way here, all the way to my head, this crown of my head. I started using this product, and I realized my ears start coming out fuller and fuller and fuller and fuller. I still see the spots here, but you can see where the hair is actually growing out. So how I use this product, guys, is I just apply the shampoo to my hair, and I just apply it to my hair after I wet my hair. I wet my hair with some water and just apply it. I wet my hair and apply this. And I try to do it at least once a week. I try to do my hair at least once a week. And I leave it in and just scrub my scalp, massage it in. And I leave it there for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And then I will wash it out. And I'm gonna go and wash my hair, guys, and I'll come back and let you see. I went and washed the shampoo out of my hair. Then I'm gonna put the conditioner in and leave the conditioner in for a while in my ear. It has a nice smell to it, guys. It has a nice, put the conditioner right here, and it has a nice smell to it. And just leave it in. And when I do this, guys, it just changes the texture of my hair, because my hair used to just fall out in my hands. And look, guys, there's nothing. I'm doing this and my hair is not coming out in my hand. My hair used to just come out heavily. Once I do this, all of my hair was to just come out in my hand, and I'm not seeing nothing like that. So my actual ear is saving. But even though right here is not growing as fast as, but it's still, normally I never have hair right here. You know, my hair growing up like this. So I'm gonna let it sit for another 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it out, guys. And it's nice. I've never, in the longest while, I don't have this thickness in my hair. My hair has not been this thick, because everything is just, my hair is just thin. It was sparse. So once I start washing my hair with this, it's like everything started coming up, and wow, I just feel so impressed about it. So I'm gonna wash my hair out, wash the conditioner out now, guys. Yes, guys, after I did the conditioner, I'm going to put in the nutrition. This is the nutrition for the hair. But guys, my daughter washed hers out. Guess what? I leave mine in. Because I said, if I'm going to wash out the nutrition, what's the purpose? But you're supposed to keep it in for like 5 to 10 minutes. It says here, it's in Spanish, but you can get it on Amazon. And I'm going to leave the link in Amazon where you can purchase this, guys. So it says, leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can wash it out. But guys, I leave it in. I leave it in because my hair is not going too right. So basically, I am so impressed by the fact that I leave it in. I don't really apply a whole lot because I'm not going to wash it out. I just leave it in my hair, guys. Leave it in my hair for a while. What I do is just pat dry it with the towel. This is what I do. I just pat dry it with the towel, and I say, I'm going to make it stay in my hair. I'm not going to take it out. I just leave it in like that. And now this here is to protect the hair from, it's a treatment. So I just put the treatment in the ear. And just rub it in. Just leave it there. And I'm so impressed with my hair, guys. If you know I was feeling before, and I say I'm doing all this. Initially, if I started growing any hair at all, any hair as small as it was, and I start washing it, the whole of the hair would be coming out in my hand. No, I'm not experiencing no hair coming out in my hand or anything like that. So, what I do now is to put this oil on my ear. You give it that sleek look, because my hair is natural, so give it that sleek look. It's for people with perm, who have perm hair. You can use it for natural hair, you can use it for perm hair. And I just comb my hair and just leave it in like that, and then I just wash my hair once a week, and that's it. That's it, guys. I just comb my hair and put on my stocking cap. I just plait my hair, and put on my stocking cap, because I still have a far way to go in terms of, my hair growing. But I am so impressed, guys, with this product. You can try it out for yourself. So using this product, guys, has really changed my entire life. Using this product has really changed my life, guys. It comes in a packet of 5, but I used the other one. So I said, guys, I wanted was to show you exactly the conditioner. No, this is the shampoo. This is the shampoo. This is the conditioner here. This is the shampoo, guys. This is the conditioner. And then you have the nutrients, and this is the revitalizer. And like I said, it comes with the oil also that you use in your hair. And guys, try it out. You will never regret it. You never regret it. So guys, if you like this video, don't be afraid to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so that you can be informed of more videos to come. As you can see, the fullness of my hair coming around here. Let me see if I can turn right here. You can see the whole fullness of my hair. And this is what it has done to my hair, guys. I feel so satisfied with the fact that my hair was actually coming out of my hair like it was nothing. And now I can pull on my hair, and my hair have a strength, and my hair is not falling out. My hair is not falling out in my hands. See there, guys, my hair not falling out in my hands. I am so happy. I'm so happy. I used to have to go to the doctor, and the doctor give me vitamins and all kind of stuff and recommend me to do all kind of stuff, and it never works. And this is the first product that I've used that really helps me, guys. The first product that I've used that really make a difference in my life. And I was like, oh my God, I was like, when is this gonna change for me? You know, it wasn't a good feeling, you know, when a woman, because you know that your hair is your beauty. And a lot of people use style, short haircut to accent their beauty, because some people, short hair fits. Short hair fits me, but in a certain style. And I normally used to do like cut the top, and the top used to be up, and then the side low. No, I can't do that. I have to go flat all around, and to me, I don't really like it. So it kind of depressed me a lot and made me feel insecure about myself. So I started wearing a lot of wigs, and wigs I really don't like either. But since I started using this product, guys, I started getting my confidence back. I started feeling good about myself, and I am feeling good, and I can recommend this product to you guys, because this is not something that I'm getting paid for. This is something that my own experience has given me, guys, and thanks to my daughter, she recommended this product to me because she knows how sensitive I am with the fact that I was losing my hair. So guys, this is what I do after I plait my hair. I just put it in some plaits. Guys. So I just put on my stocking cap, and this is what I do for a week. I keep it like this for a week, and I wear my wigs, or I wear my nurse bandana to go to work and apply some makeup. And guys, I want to keep you updated, because I'm going to post another video of later on down in the year and show you any change that has taken place in my hair growth journey. And guys, I'm so excited because I've never thought that I will reach to this stage where I can really show you this, because I have to show you some more videos. But I have to search for them, because I was going through the camera roll and looking for more videos, and I can show you how sparse my ear was. So guys, I'm gonna keep you on a update journey and to show you I'm not going to do much of it, but I'm going to keep you up to date and see a better progress and see how far. Because I'm going to continue to use off this product and show you guys. Because I wash my hair once a week, so each week I see there's a change and there's a change and there's a change. So I'm gonna keep you updated, keep you posted. So guys, if you like my video, don't be afraid to continue to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so that you can be notified of more videos. Guys, give me a love and support. Show me that you care and just be there. Love you guys.